Hey guys, my name's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another eyeshadow tutorial for you, and it's using my new Morphe palette that I just bought, and it's the 35W Warm It Up palette. So I'm going to go and put my foundation and put my base on now, and then I'm going to come back to you. Okay guys, I'm back. So I've put my foundation base on and I've also done my powder, and I have done a little bit of a contour as well. As you can see, just the white lines that I've got here, I actually put a rice powder, which is, I don't know how to put it, which is this here that I got from Primark, that I use it as like it's a setting powder. So I'll put quite a bit of that under my eyes. It'll set my concealer, and it'll also help that if I get any fallout from the eyeshadow, that it'll fall out onto the powder and I can just sweep it away without it, hopefully, sticking to the makeup that's already on my skin. I've also had a go at doing my eyebrows a bit today, rather than just, I usually just put this, it's a brow gel for Fill and Tame brow gel that I got in my Birchbox 1 month, and it's really good, really good. That's what I usually use on my brows, but I've actually gone and put a bit of, I've put the, well, it's just appeared. The Conceal and Define concealer from Makeup Revolution. I've just gone just on the outsides and just put that just to highlight them a little bit and define them a bit more. Not sure if I like them. I feel like they're a little bit too defined. I'm not the perfectionist when it comes to my brows, so maybe it's a grower, I don't know. But anyways, so I'm going to get into the video now for my eyeshadow tutorial using my Morphe 35W Warm It Up palette. So let's get into the video. Fine. I don't know if anybody else does it, but when you put a shimmer on, it's so much easier to just pat it onto the lid rather than blend it or like moving your brush in like circular motions and things like that. The best thing to do is literally just lightly pat it on the lid, and you're less likely to get any shimmer anywhere else over your face or any fallout. Final look that I've got on the shadows. I'm just going to go and put my individual lashes on, which are going to be the Ardell ones, and my mascara is going to be the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit mascara, and I'll be back. Okay you guys, this is the finished look. I've just applied some Ardell individual lashes. I usually, when I apply them, I just apply 3 just on the outsides of the upper lid. And I've also applied my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, and I have put a bit of the California blush, just a little bit on my cheeks, because a little goes a long way with this, but it's such a nice colour. It's a nice like little summery colour. I have on my lips, I've used the Sophie X Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Cake. That's what it looks like. It's a really nice colour. The only thing with these is that I find they're really creamy, like really creamy, and I'm such a matte makeup lover that I don't think I quite get used to the consistency of the creaminess, and even like the shine, because the shine looks a bit weird now. I'm waiting for it to matte down, but it feels really nice. It feels really lightweight. Put like a bit of highlighter just underneath the brow there, on the brow bone, and I've just put a little bit on the end of my nose as well, and by my Cupid's bow. And that is the with my Anastasia Glow kit, and that's the shade Summer. I think it's a sun dipped kit and the shade is Summer. It's like my favourite highlighter. But I wanted to do this one for the cheekbones because this is like, I haven't actually used it, it's like a little trial. But it's by Model Co. You can see that there. It's called, like, the shade is called Moonshine. And it's just like a baked highlighter. I got it in my Birchbox, I think it was a couple of months ago, and I haven't actually used it yet, so I'm just gonna swatch it now for you. That's so nice. If you can see that. It's really nice. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it now. Ooh, I like. It's really shimmery. It's really powdery. There's definitely no creaminess to it, so. Sorry, I think my phone cut out then. I'm having storage issues at the moment. But yeah, that's the highlighter there on the cheekbone. It's really nice. It's almost got like a bit of a marble effect to it. It's like a pink, it's got like pink and white and like a real tint of gold shades in it. But I quite like that, actually. Yeah, I quite like that actually. I don't think I'll use it a lot because I think with highlighters I don't tend to like them to be too shimmery, and that's got a lot of shimmer to it and almost a lot of glitter. I did put a little bit up here before to see what it looked like, but it's definitely got a bit too much of a shimmer on the brow bone. I don't know if you can see it there in the video. Anyway, that was it. That was my video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It wasn't quite as subtle eyeshadow look as I was going for. I kind of got a bit carried away with the shades in the Morphe palette, which they're so nice. Yeah, so they're the shades there. It's got some gorgeous colours in there and some really nice purple shades. I don't have many purple eyeshadows, so I'm definitely going to look forward to playing about with some of those. So that was it anyway, guys. That was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the look. If you have any questions, just comment below, and please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. If you aren't already subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel because every subscriber helps, and I do really appreciate every one of you. Head over to my Instagram, which is Holly with an IE, and that's .rutter, and also head over to my Twitter account as well, and that's Holly_makeup. Until next time, guys, take care.